Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today's Wednesday, March 6, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. In this short video, I'm going to show you that I'm actually getting leads using my lead gen secret. So I'm going to log into my back office of multiple income funnel and go over to leads right now and show you that I have been getting leads here. Now I just started adding the tracking tags to these links that I'm sending out. So I'm sure that some of these other leads over here have come from my lead gen secret, but I just sent out the message yesterday with the tracking link. So out of the 3 leads that I got yesterday, one of them came from my lead gen secret. And then both leads that I had today came from my lead gen secret. All right, so I'm really happy with that. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to log into one of my 2 accounts here. I have 2 accounts with this company now, and this is my newest account. And what I'm finding with my lead gen secret, I've been watching a couple people who use this and make really good money with it, and I'm following everything that they're doing. And it's all in how you set up your email, what you have in your email, and what you're sending out, basically. Okay, so if I load this message up, this is what I sent out today. And you can see down here, I just sent this out less than 2 hours ago. Okay, but this is what the email looks like. It's titled, "Here's Why I Fired My Boss," and then obviously this puts in the name of the lead, the first name of the lead. So it says, "Hey, Russ here. People never ask me why I fired my boss. I think most people instantly understand why. And to be honest, she was really nice, but her goals for my life were to give me the least while expecting the most. I deserve the opposite, and so do you. So even if your boss is nice too, if you are ready for something different, join me here. Let's catch up soon." All right, and then down here, and this is the biggest thing I wasn't doing with my lead gen secret when I had my account a couple of years ago. I was not adding a signature like this. All right, I didn't even have a picture of myself. I would just end with my name like this, okay? So now I've added a picture of myself. I have a link that goes to my Facebook. I have a link that goes to my YouTube channel. And then down here I have a PS that says the secret to generating income online is all about generating leads. Get your first 100 buyer leads in the next 10 minutes right here. All right, so if I click on this, all right, this is going to take me over to a page for my multiple income funnel. This takes the people to my Facebook so they can see I'm an actual real person who makes real posts and has engagement on my Facebook wall. This shows them that I have a YouTube channel where I make videos quite frequently. And then this takes me to my lead gen secret account right here. All right, so that is how you want to be using this to get the best results. And I'm having good results with this. So I'm going to keep showing videos on the results I'm using, or the results that I'm getting using my lead gen secret, because I do think it's a very powerful tool and it's a simple way to get leads, or at least get eyeballs onto your whatever it is you're promoting. Okay, now I changed this up and I'll send out emails to GreatLife worldwide, and I'll send out messages just pertaining to my lead gen secret as well, and also to my YouTube channels, or to my YouTube videos. Okay, it's a great way to get views on your YouTube videos. So I'm super happy with the results. Now you can see this is my new account. So I only have 700 leads in this one. My other account I have, I think, 50,000 leads that I'm sending out to, and I mail out to both of these accounts every single day. Now, as soon as I get a referral in this, I'm going to get 200 leads a day. And then probably what I'll do is I'll get a third account, and I'll just keep building out like that until probably I have 5 accounts or so. You can start with 1 account. You know, the reason these other guys get 4 or 5 or 10 accounts is because obviously you get more leads and you get results quicker. But if your budget only allows for you to have 1 account, just stick with 1 account and just know that it's going to take you a little bit more time to get the amount of leads you need to start seeing results. Okay, one person I watched, it took them about 3 weeks to get any results when they just started out with just 1 account. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I have all the links down below this video where you can check out My Lead Gen Secret, Multiple Income Funnel, and GreatLife Worldwide. I do like the multiple income funnel simply because, you know, you're getting you're getting 5 different income streams in here when you sign up. So this is what mine looks like. And this is what people see when they join this. They're going to see multiple income funnel as my income stream number 1. GreatLife Worldwide is my income stream number 2. I have classified submissions, which I've been a member of for a long time, as my income stream number 3. Traffic Authority is income stream number 4. And then up here, bonus income stream number 5 is My Lead Gen Secret. All right, so I just like the fact that all of the programs that I'm using to build GreatLife Worldwide, it's all in this one funnel, okay? So, and then My Lead Gen Secret, I mean, you can get 100 leads every single day. If you refer someone to the system, they're going to give you an additional 100 bonus leads a day. So it's technically, you know, you could technically have 6,000 leads at the end of your first month, and it's only $1 a day. All right. So for the price, you know, you can't go wrong with it. Okay. And you can go and check out 100leadseveryday.com and watch that video, and it'll tell you more about this opportunity. So that's it for this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. If you find value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.